Rejoice, pageant fans, because I'm bringing you the news that you have been waiting for. The official Instagram account of Miss Universe is finally back after going missing for a couple of days for mysterious reasons. And I know that a lot of people were coming up with theories and conspiracy stories about what happened with the account, but do not worry. It seems like it was just a simple glitch. Oh, I know these were scary times because we were wondering, what the hell are we gonna do now without the daily updates of our queen, our savior, and our patron, according to her fans, Fatima Bosch, of course. I mean, I was just wondering what is happening during her time in Chile and, you know, all the different countries that she has been doing. I mean, you can see it here. She's been on a America World Tour as of recently. But let me tell you, I think that actually Miss Universe needed a little bit of a vacation. I don't know, like the intern, the social media person running the account, because they came back with a sharp tongue and fast fingers as they were replying to some of the comments on the page. Hey, so let me tell you what is being said over here. Juan Carlos had to say, I don't know, people were saying that there were new owners of the organization and this is the reason why the page had to close, and because the new owners already bought the organization and that this is all dying, and now it's all proven to be a lie. To which our intern that just came back from a short vacation had to say, people have way too much imagination out there, you know? In the meantime, Miss Universe is still the exact same. We have the same leadership, we have the same vision, and we are now more united than ever. We are so happy and proud of our Miss Universe Fatima Bosch. Oh, I could cry, actually. I wanna cry. Oh, but I know you pageant fans are so bitter and you're gonna say that this is all fake news. And I'm here to let you know that it's not. They are quite literally now more united than ever because Kun An was just spotted in Mexico like yesterday. Anyways, let me know in the comment section, what did you do out of your time? What did you do out of your life while the Miss Universe account was down? I mean, those were terrible days. I hope that we never go back there.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. Mga kapolitika, ang ating pong pag-uusapan para sa vlog na ito ay itong pinaka-latest ngayon na update patungkol nga dito sa di umano'y pagbebenta sa Miss Universe, dahil tinuldukan na po ng Miss Universe organization at yung usap-usapan dito sa mundo ng social media na nakalock-in pa rin ngayon ang Miss Universe franchise dito sa kay Raul Rucha at kay Anja Carotatip, at ang sabi ay pinigilan di umano nilang ibenta yung Miss Universe sa ibang tao. So ito yung ating pag-uusapan at tatalakayin para sa vlog na ito. So as of today po, February 25, 2026 ay naibalik na po officially yung Instagram account ng Miss Universe doon sa kailang social media platform. At ang sabi ng ating mga netizen ay baka sinadya lang daw na i-deactivate yung kanilang social media, or talagang nahack ito dahil sa sobrang dami ng mga AI or bot followers. So yun yung suspicion ng ating mga netizen kung bakit nawala yung kailang Instagram account, okay, or Instagram page. So anyway mga kapolitika, ito nga po yung balita dito sa social media. Sabi dito sa isang post, not that there were new owners and that the page was shut down because a Peruvian said there were already new owners or buyers. The hate is dying. Their narratives are losing value because it's all a lie. There's a lot of imagination out there. Meanwhile, Miss Universe continues exactly the same, with the same leadership, the same vision, and more united than ever. Happy and proud of Miss Universe. Boycott Miss Universe. There are no new owners. Anne and Raul refuse to sell. If you're a national director, why do you continue supporting a corrupt organization? Where is your self-respect? And if you're a potential contestant, what makes you so sure that the next edition will be fair and transparent? So yun mga kapolitika yung sinasabi na sad to say is si Raul at si Anja Carotatip pa rin ang may influence. So marahil yung iba sa inyo is nalilito na kung talaga nga bang ibinibenta, kasi ang sabi ni Chavit Singson itong mga nakarang buwan is kukunin niya daw yung Miss Universe and then hindi naman natuloy dahil sa mga legal issues. And then ngayon ay ang usapan is si Raul at si Anja Carotatip pa rin ang may malakas na influence dito sa Miss Universe. So balik sa dating owner itong Miss Universe. So hindi natin kontrolado mga kapolitika, at beyond our control itong nangyayari ngayon sa Miss Universe. Tayo is hindi natutuwa dito sa mga balitang ito, pero wala po tayong magagawa kundi tanggapin yung realidad na ganito talaga ang sitwasyon ngayon sa Miss Universe. So kung siguro darating man yung time na iba na yung may-ari, it takes time talaga. At talagang patience at hintayin natin yung panahon na yun, yung pagkakataon na yun na may transfer sa iba. But for the meantime, as we speak, ay talagang si Raul Rucha pa rin at si Jack Rotatip ang nagmamay-ari ng prestigyosong Miss Universe. At ilang beses na po nating napag-usapan before na yung panawagan nga natin yung boses ng masa na wag mo nang magpadala dito sa Miss Universe. Pero tila malabo po yung mangyari dahil nga yung MUPH ay kumikita rin sila dito sa kanilang local pageant, national pageant sa Pilipinas. So malabo po yun kahit manawagan pa tayo 24/7 na ihinto muna yung pagpapadala sa Miss Universe for as long as marami ang nanonood, marami ang nagsusubaybay at marami yung tumatangkilik sa Miss Universe Philippines ay tuloy-tuloy lang po yan dahil nga marami silang mga sponsors at mga commercials. So kumikita sila at ito kasi yung industriya kasi ito mga kapolitika. So hindi rin natin sila mapipigil dahil of course may mga personal rin silang kita dito sa ating national pageant. So ganun lang po yun. At sabi naman dito ng The Crown and Sashes sa pagbalik ng kanilang social media page, Miss Universe Instagram account returns after days of disappearance. After several days of being disabled, the official Miss Universe Instagram account has returned. The accounts of Fatima and Raul Rucha were restored earlier, while the Miss Universe main account took longer to reappear. Despite its comeback, backlash from beauty pageant fans continues, with criticism still ongoing online. So I believe na kasi nangyayari naman kasi ito sa mga malaking page mga kapolitika at even sa mga like ABS-CBN at ibang mga malalaking pages dito sa social media ay nangyayari yung pansamantalang pagkawala ng mga page. So marahil ito yung nangyari dito sa Miss Universe. So ano't ano pa man yung dahilan mga kapolitika, ang klaro sa ngayon ay walang new honor ang Miss Universe. Talagang balik tayo sa dating gawi. So ano po ang inyong masasabi dito na kung saan ay pinigilan daw ni Raul Rucha at ni Jack Rotatip ang pagbinta sa Miss Universe? At kung kayo ang tatanungin mga kapolitika, kayo po ba ay agree na wag muna tayong magpadala dito sa Miss Universe for the year 2026 for as long as itong si Raul Rucha at si Jack Rotatip ang nagmamay-ari ng beauty pageant na ito? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po.
Hello guys, good day. I'm here with the newly crowned and Sash Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2026. Of course, with
Allison Hetland, your Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga.
Ayun. Allison, congratulations in advance, dear.
Thank you po.
Ayan. So now that you're the official candidates of Miss Universe Philippines, what are you looking forward for this prestigious national pageant?
I think more than anything, I am looking forward to the connections, the genuine connections that I would be able to make with, my co-candidates, the organization. I am one who really loves to connect with people in my community. So I think that's one thing that I'm really looking forward to in the Miss Universe pageant.
All right, and of course, you are also considered as a pageantera or pageant veteran since you've been joining a lot of pageants, especially here in Pampanga. So, what is your advice to those who are also wants to follow your footsteps as a pageantera or a pageant veteran?
My advice is you have to be full-hearted when you join a pageant because once you're half-hearted, hindi siya magbubunga. So, yun lang ang advice ko kasi if you really want something, you have to be 100% in it. And I hope for the future pageant queens, aspiring pageant queens, immerse yourself in the experience and ma-enjoy mo talaga ang pageantry. Thank you so much.
And Pampanga is also well known as the powerhouse
Yes,
of
yes.
the pageant. So how's the pressure now that you're representing the
Ay,
Pampanga?
grabe ang pressure. Because, as you all know, Pampanga nga, is the powerhouse. Our Miss Grand is Ate Emma.
Yes.
So the pressure is obviously it's very heavy, but at the same time I take it as inspiration to do better and hopefully bring pride to Pampanga. Thank you.
And one last question, what do you love most about yourself?
what I love most about myself, I believe it's my heart. I feel like it's what makes me truly beautiful, and it allows me to be genuine in my authentic self kung kahit sino man ang kaharap ko. Thank you po.
Ayun. And of course, batiin mo yung mga fans and supporters mo.
Hello po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin. Sana po ipagpatuloy natin to hanggang sa matapos ang Miss Universe at hopefully even after Miss Universe. And I am so excited for everyone to see what's in store.
Alright. Thank you so much and congratulations in advance.
Thank you!